my channel. So I thought today I'm gonna show you guys everything that I picked up from the Dior Men's Spring Summer 19 collection. Now, just to be clear, I didn't buy everything in one day because I actually spent quite a bit of money, and I'm actually shocked and how much I spend. Like, if you guys know me in person, you already know that I'm obsessed with this collection, and everyone's probably sick of me talking about Dior all the time, but yeah, I just really love a lot of pieces from this collection, and it is Kim Jones's first collection as the creative director for Dior Men's. And then there's also a collaboration with Kaws, and you guys know how much I love Kaws, so I just really love this whole collection. So I ended up picking up a few pieces, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Now, I'll list and link everything in the description bar below, including prices if you guys are interested. Some of them are sold out, but I don't know if they will be restocking them, but I'll try my best to link everything down below. Now, the first thing to show you guys is this messenger bag. I already did an unboxing of this on my channel, so if you guys are interested, you can check it out. But essentially, it is just a messenger bag. That's what it's called on the website. And then it has a little front pocket here in the saddle shape. I really do like this, and I don't regret picking this up. Now, it is quite a small bag. As you guys can see, it's very flat, so there's not much you can put in there, but I feel like this size works really well for me. This does come in black leather as well as like a tan one, and those are really nice as well, but I ended up choosing the oblique one because I just wanted something with this oblique pattern. And the second thing that I picked up is this cap over here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen photos of me wearing this, and can I just say, the price on this cap is a little bit much. But I don't know, when I'm in the Dior Men's store, I make really bad decisions, and then when I tried it on, I was like, I think this is a look, and then I ended up buying it. The retail price on this is 1,250 Australian dollars. It's expensive, and I'm pretty sure you're just paying for this buckle over here. So as you guys can see on the back here, there is this hardware, and this is designed by Matthew Williams, who is the founder of OBLIQUE. Now, if you guys know the brand OBLIQUE, they have a lot of this roller coaster buckle kind of details, and they made a Christian Dior version. As you guys can see, it's a C and a D in the buckle, which I think is really cool. If you look at the rest of the collection, they also have belts with the same hardware detail, which I think is really nice. So usually with this cap, I wear it this way around, where this is facing the front, so you can see the detail. Obviously, you can wear the cap this way, but I don't, because I find that it's just really wide and really flat, and it looks kind of weird on me. And I know it defeats the purpose of a cap because it's meant to, like, you know, keep the sun out and stuff. So I guess if it's really sunny, I'll probably wear it the other way around, but I usually wear it backwards, and I think it is quite a look. The only thing I find though, because the hardware is quite heavy, I feel like when I wear this for a long time, it feels really weird. Like there's just something pressing against my forehead, and it just feels weird. And then also, when you look at the front of the cap, you can see that there's a sort of saddle shaped leather paneling here, which I think is quite a nice detail. Now, this cap also comes in a few different colors. I think there is a cream one, also a printed one, but the printed one is more expensive. In terms of sizing, I wear this in a size medium. They also have different sizes, and then the buckle on the back here can be unclipped like that. If you need to adjust this for sizing, you can actually pull this open, and you can see there's a little snap button here, and then you can pull it to make it a little bit bigger. Because there's only 2 snap buttons here, I guess in that sense it's not really flexible in terms of sizing. You have to pick one or the other. So next up, I want to show you guys the card holder. I actually bought this from the Sydney store. I got them to transfer it down. I really wanted this because I just was so desperate for something with the Kaws B on it, and when I initially saw this in the Chatston store, I didn't pick it up because I thought they might get a restock of the pink one. So initially I wanted the one with the pink bees, and then they didn't have it, so they said they might get a restock, but I don't think they did. And then the yellow one sold out, and then I was sad, and I was asking my friends in Hong Kong and Singapore if they could find this for me, but apparently at that time it was sold out everywhere. So I kind of panicked and I thought I missed out. I even looked on Grilled and I was willing to pay like resale for this because I just really wanted something with the bees so badly. But I'm glad I waited because they ended up doing a restock at the Sydney store. They didn't have the pink one anymore, so I went for the yellow, but I think it's still really cute. And then what I like as well on the back here, you can see a little panel here that's yellow, which matches the yellow on the bees. And then on the back here, you can see it has the Dior X Kaws embossing. This is 550 Australian dollars. And the other piece that I got is this pouch over here, and this one has the pink bees all over it. And I actually picked this up before I got the card holder, and the reason why I picked this up was because when I found out that all the card holders were sold out at that time, I got really desperate and I was like, I just want something with the bees. And so this was the only thing else that was left in this store. So I ended up picking this up, and if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never actually used it. Like, I bought it and I just kept it in my room because I just really wanted something with the bees. And I know this sounds crazy, like, you know, dropping the amount of money and not using something, but I don't know, when I'm in Dior I become crazy and I just make very bad decisions and I don't know what's happening and I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I ended up picking this up. I think it's really cute. Again, just like the card holder, it has the bee embossing all over it. And now on the top here, you can see that it has the Dior logo in silver. And then when you open this up, you can see that on the inside here, there is the Dior X Kaws logo on the inside as well, which I think is really cute. Honestly, I don't really use bags like this. I mean, you could use this as a clutch and I think it's quite cute, but I don't know whether this is very practical for me, but I bought it anyway, so let's just move on. And then next, I have this necklace. It is a cigarette necklace. And to be fair though, this is not actually part of Spring Summer 19 Dior Men's. This is actually for Winter 18, which is the last season where Chris Vanash is the creative director. And I really wanted this for some reason when I saw photos of this. I think it's really cool. This gives me like very Ambush vibes. So if you guys know Ambush, they have a necklace that's like a cigarette case and also a lighter case. So this really reminds me of like Ambush jewelry, and I actually thought this was part of Spring Summer 19 because Yoon from Ambush is the designer for the jewelry, but yeah, this is not. This is actually part of last season stuff, but yeah, I really like it, and I got this transferred from the Sydney store as well. I also got this jumper over here. Now this is a super popular item from the collection. Anything with this pink Dior logo sold out so quickly, so I actually wasn't able to get this from the Dior men's store because by the time I got that, everything was sold out. They didn't even have any of the t-shirts, which is crazy to think because all the t-shirts are like $940 for a t-shirt and they sold out immediately, so I didn't get that. And then I actually got this from Sneaker Boy because they started stocking the collection, which I was super happy about. I ended up getting the jumper instead of the t-shirt because I feel like if I'm gonna spend that amount of money, I think the t-shirt is not really worth it. Not that I'm saying a overpriced jumper is worth it. I feel like t-shirt is something you wear a lot and then once you wash it a few times, it may not be the same. It'll be like quite faded and it's something that you wear on the inside. So I thought a jumper would be more practical. I'm not making any sense. I could be convincing myself why I spent like this kind of... Anyway, in my mind, I thought that the jumper would be a little bit more worth it compared to the t-shirt, even though I had to spend a little bit more. So anyway, so that's why I got the jumper, and again, this is a size medium. I think it looks really cute on. As you guys can see, the Dior over here is kind of like a, what would you call this? Like, it's not fluffy. It looks like a towel. And then on the side here, there is a little bee embroidery. To go along with this jumper, I also paired it with this Dior jeans that has the same pink bee embroidery, and I really love it. So I'm wearing this in a size 28, and I think it actually fits me quite well considering it is a men's fit. Now it is quite long, so I actually rolled this up. You can get it altered in the men's Dior store for free if you want to. And then the most recent thing that I bought is actually this shirt. So this is just a over shirt and it pretty much matches the jeans. This shirt I'm wearing in a size 38 and I believe that is the smaller size as well. I'm surprised that this actually fits me really well. Having said that though, the sleeves are a little bit long, so I usually just roll them up. The very last thing that I got, which is actually the first thing that I paid for is the B23 oblique sneakers. They've been super popular, I think for good reason. They look really good on feet. Now they come in the low top and the high tops, and I went for the high tops and actually did a pre-order of these from the men's Dior store beginning of the year, so I want to say like mid-January, and they told me it'll be there in a week, and 2 months later I got my shoes. In terms of sizing, these are true to size, and they kind of just feel like standard Converse Chucks, so they're not like incredibly comfortable, but they're not uncomfortable. They feel fine. That is pretty much everything that I got from this collection, and in total I spent a lot of money, and it makes me question my life a little bit sometimes, the fact that I can go that crazy when it comes to something that I love. So I was actually afraid that my Dior obsession would be like an ongoing thing, because that would not be good. Oh bitch, I'm gonna be broke. So I looked up the images from the pre-fall collection. It is quite cool, but I don't know whether I'm gonna go that crazy like this collection, so that is good news for me. But I saw that Kim Jones posted a photo, and there is an all white oblique sneaker as well as an all black one, which I think is really good. So yeah, I don't know. For now, I think that's enough Dior for me. I'm gonna calm down. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing what I picked up from this whole collection. Hopefully it was somewhat helpful if you were thinking about picking up some of these pieces. Now, if you guys have any questions about sizing, just leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you guys. I'll try my best, because I feel like I've tried a lot of pieces from this collection, so I have a rough idea. Now, this is obviously just scraping the top of the collection. There's way more to it, but I didn't buy a lot of the other pieces. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.